I'm Tom from Willow Springs campsite. We're at the end of the Afan Valley, just on the edge of Gwyliau, the old mining village. We live on a farm steeped in history with a campsite in the most idyllic spot. The farm backs onto 80 square kilometres of forest. We've got 10 camping pitches which are suitable for camper vans and motorhomes and tents. There's 3 shepherd's huts which run all year round. There's also an eco drying room with tons of drying space and a field shelter where campers can cook and hang out in the event of inclement weather. Willow Springs is known for tranquility, nature, wildlife, waterfall and llamas. It's gorgeous here. What we love most about the Port Talbot area, for me it's the mountain biking, climbing, surfing, walking. Head in any direction from here and you'll find something epic. We'd encourage everyone to visit the dramatic heart of Wales. Wales has so much to offer and Port Talbot has it all. We love it here. You're invited to find your epic in the dramatic heart of Wales.